Now we are discussing exercise 9.2, chapter 9, sequence and series, class 11th maths NCERT. Question number 3rd, in an AP the first term is 2, a is equal to 2, the first term is 2, and the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 the sum of next 5 terms, 1/4 of next 5 terms, and show that 20th term is 112. That means first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of next 5 terms, and then show that the 20th term A20 is equal to -112. आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना। We know that this first 5 term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D is the sum of first 5 terms. ये A से लेके A plus 4D तक 5 terms का सम है, is equal to 1/4 next 5 terms A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D plus A plus 8D plus A plus 9D is the sum of next 5 terms. Then sum of this A 1 2 3 4 5, this 5A plus D 2D 3D 3 3 6 6 4 10 10D is equal to this 1/4 of this 5A plus 6 और 5 11, 11 और 7 18, 18 और 8 26, 26 और 9 35, 26 और 9 35, 9 56, yes 35D. This 4 multiply to this, then this आप ऐसे लिखिए that multiply this 20A plus 40D is equal to 5A plus 35D. Then find this 20A minus 5A is equal to 35D minus 40D. This 15A is equal to minus 5D. Then A is equal to 2. Then 15 into 2 is equal to minus 5D, and D is equal to 15 into 2 upon minus 5. This D is equal to minus 6. D की वैल्यू आई आपके पास -6। अब D की वैल्यू है आपके पास, A की वैल्यू आपको 20th टर्म प्रूव करनी है कि वो 112 है, आप 20th टर्म निकालेंगे। Then A20 is equal to A plus 19D, and A is equal to what? A is 2 plus 19 into D is -6. This multiply this, minus 114, and this minus 114 plus 2, this minus 112 is the 20th term, hence proved। जो हमें निकालना था वो 20th टर्म निकालनी थी, और 20th टर्म क्या है? -112। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, solution 4, how many terms of AP is -6, -11 by 2, -5 is needed to the sum this Sn is equal to -25. Then find the number of terms. How many terms? That means find n. n find out करना है कि कितने नंबर्स का सम जो 25. Then a is equal to -6 and d is equal to a2 minus a1. This minus 11 by 2 and this minus minus plus 6. Then this 2 minus 11 plus 12 1 by 2. d is equal to 1 by 2. आपकी d की वैल्यू आ गई, a की वैल्यू आपके पास है, आपको Sn दे रखा है. दिस Sn that means Sn n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then Sn is minus 25. This n by 2, this 2 into a is minus 6 and plus n minus 1 and d is what? D is 1 by 2. Then minus this multiplied to this minus 15 is equal to n into minus 12 plus n minus 1 by 2. This minus 15 is equal to this n into, taking LCM, minus 24 plus n minus 1 by 2. Then this minus 15 ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई होके हो जाएगा 100 is equal to this n square minus 25. Then n square minus 25 plus 25n and 25n plus 100 is equal to 0. n square minus 25n plus 100 is a quadratic equation. Then factorize करके n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 is equal to 0. n minus 20 minus 5, this n minus 20 is equal to 0. n minus 20 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. Either n is equal to 20 or n is equal to 5. तो आपकी दोनों ही वैल्यू पॉसिबल हैं. n is equal to 20 भी, n is equal to 5 भी. n is equal to 5 क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव टर्म है, तो नेगेटिव टर्म में आपका सम हो सकता है 5 टर्म्स का सम माइनस 25. और इससे आगे जब टर्म जाएंगी तो एक टाइम ऐसा आ जाएगा कि जो आपके पास टर्म है वो 0 हो जाएगी, उसके बाद पॉजिटिव वैल्यू स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी और पॉजिटिव वैल्यू स्टार्ट होने के बाद एक दूसरे से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगी. तो 20 का भी सम हो सकता है क्योंकि बिकॉज द AP इज इन नेगेटिव टर्म्स, तो इट मे बी पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In AP, the pth term is 1 by q. Pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p. Qth term is equal to 1 by p. This term. Prove that the sum of p plus qth term. Sum of pq. आपको सम ऑफ पी क्यू टर्म्स निकालना है. देन दिस pth term that means a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q. This qth term, then a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p, because a is the first term and d is the common difference of AP. Then this equation second, operating 1 minus 2, second minus 1, this a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p and a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q, and subtract, and then this cancel out, this p minus 1 minus p plus 1, sorry q, this q minus 1 minus p plus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p minus 1 by q. Then this cancel out, this minus p and this q, आपने इसमें से 1 by p में से इसको माइनस किया, ओके. Then this p minus q माइनस, हम p minus q कर लेते हैं, माइनस p minus q into d is equal to, taking LCM p q, this q minus p, q minus p, this q minus p into d, ऐसे लिखते हैं. Then this cancel out to this, then d is equal to 1 by p q. d की वैल्यू आई 1 by p q. अब d की वैल्यू है, अब आपको a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप d की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करें और a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें. Then this from put this value in equation 1, and then a plus p minus 1 into d, d is 1 by p q is equal to 1 by q, and then a plus this multiplied to this, p से p cancel out हो जाएगा, this 1 by q minus 1 by p q is equal to 1 by q, this cancel out to this, then a is equal to 1 by p q, a is equal to 1 by p q, d is equal to 1 by p q, and then sum of p q terms, then p q by 2, then 2a plus p q minus 1 into d, p q minus 1 into d. And then find sum of first p q, then okay, and then put the value as p q is equal to p q by 2 to a, 2 upon p q, 2 upon p q plus p q minus 1 upon 1 by p q, and then this p q by 2, taking LCM p q, then 2 plus p q minus 1, and then p q by 2, p q plus 1 upon p q. This cancel out to this, 1 by 2 p q plus 1 is the sum of p q term. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Then prove that this sum of p q terms is 1 by 2 into p q plus 1. ये हमने प्रूव कर दिया. Then question, next question. Sixth question. If the sum of certain number of the term of an AP 25, 22, 19 and so on up to is 16, is 116. Find the last term. Find last term. Last term find out करनी है आपको. Then a is equal to 25 and d is equal to 22 minus 25 and d is equal to minus 3. d की वैल्यू minus 3, a की वैल्यू 25. और आपके पास ये दे रखा है कि sum of this term is 116. कितनी टर्म्स का सम है? ये 116. and find the last term, और वो last term निकालनी है. We know that this sum of n terms this s and n by 2, this 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and put the value, this 116 is equal to n by 2, this 2 into a, value of a is 25 plus n minus 1 and d is what? D is minus 3. Then this multiply to this and this 15 plus 3 minus 3n, 232, then 53n minus 3n square, then इधर ले आएंगे इसको, 3n square plus 53n minus 232 is equal to 0, sorry plus 232, ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा। देन अब फैक्टर करेंगे, फैक्टर इज 3, 232, 2, 1, 1, 6, 2, ये 10, 2, 16, 4, 2, 4, 8, 24, 24 and 29, 24, 53, yes. Then 3n square, this 53, this minus 24 n minus 29n plus 232 is equal to 0. Then 3n is common and n minus 8, this minus 29 n minus 8 is equal to 0. N minus 8 is a factor and 3n minus 29 is a factor. Then n is equal to 8 and n is equal to 29 upon 3, which is rejected क्योंकि n की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में नहीं हो सकती। n इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स में आपके पास 1, 2, 3 नेचुरल नंबर होंगे एंड देन n इज इक्वल टू 8। दैट मीन्स जो हमारे पास लास्ट टर्म है वो 8th टर्म है। अब हम 8th टर्म निकालेंगे, a8, a प्लस 7d, a क्या है, a is 25 and then 7 into d, d is 8, d is what, d हमारे पास था माइनस, is 25 minus 20, 25 minus 21 that's 4। 8th टर्म जो होगी वो हमारी क्या होगी, 4 होगी।